Hello, what's up, everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode, we are going to learn if and else condition in PHP. Okay, so let's get into the program. Now, we are going to write an if condition. Before that, I'm going to write some variables where $var is equal to good, and next variable var2 is equal to 2. Now we can write if condition by starting with if bracket. Here I'm using the first variable1 is equal to, if the variable1 matches to the string called good, then it will show this message. Like it's a good time, and if it is wrong, then if the $variable1 is not matches with the string that we put on the condition, then the else condition will work and will show this message. Instead of showing good, it will show the wrong message. So the string matches and it's showing good. It's in good time. Now we write another variable1, if $variable1 greater than the variable2, we forgot to put the 1 and 2 for the variables. Okay, so if $variable1 greater than $variable2, I mean the values that we stored in the variables, if $variable1 greater than $variable2, then this message is going to be printed. Otherwise the else condition will work. Now save the file and go to the browser to see the result. Reload the program and we can see the first condition is printed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, please press the like button. Also do the subscribe. Thank you for watching.